this is the frontal bone.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is the parietal on the side.
Mm-hmm.
Temporal.
Okay.
And the occipital.
Right.
And then we're going to go over the sutures. This is the lomboidal.
Mm-hmm.
Here. And this is the squamous.
Right.
And this is the coronal here. And then on top here is the longitudinal suture.
Right.
And then this is the nasal cavity, right? And then we have the infraorbital foramen.
And then you have the supra.
The supra should be up here. I think it's that one right there, the red one. And then this is the zygomaticus process of temporal
Temporal bone.
And then this is temporal process of zygomaticus, and this is the zygomaticus arch. This is the medius acoustic.
Internal. External.
Acoustic medius.
Mediate.
External acoustic medius. Okay. And in here is the magnum foramen. Okay. And then it's the atlas C1. C2 is the axis.
Is the only one that has a
It's the only one that has dents, right?
a dent. Yeah.
Dents, which are here. And then cervical is C1 through C7. C7 is the prominence, right? Landmark. And then thoracic is T1 through T12. Lumbar is L1 through L5. And then this is the sacrum.
Can you go over how it is again?
What do you mean?
The cervical.
Starting the spine.
Yeah, the spine. Because I didn't.
Okay.
Starting with C1.
Start with C1?
No, just go down. Like cervical.
Oh, okay. Cervical vertebra is C1 through C7.
Mm-hmm.
And then thoracic is T1 to 12. And then lumbar is L1 through L5. And then it's the sacrum and the coccyx here.
Okay.
And in between the vertebrae, we have the intervertebral disc, which are these, separate them.
Mm-hmm.
And then sticking out side are spinous processes.
And these ones are the transverse process.
Oh, right. Transverse processes there. And then, what else? Okay, so this is the scapula.
Mm-hmm.
The medial border. Lateral. Superior.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the acromion process. Glenoid cavity. Or what is it? Glenoid? And then the coracoid process. And this is the clavicle. Has two ends. The acromion end and the sternum end.
And the chromium end is flat, while the sternum end is kind of bulky.
Okay, and then this is the sternum.
Mm-hmm.
This is the
Xiphoid.
xiphoid. And then this is the
Body.
body
The manubrium.
manubrium. Okay. And then here is the coastal cartilage. Here. These are the ribs, coastal ribs. 1 through 7 are true ribs. 8 through 10 are false ribs. And then 11 and 12 are floating ribs. Right?